research. Okay, that is no going to be our next 1 hour discussion. Okay, so I hope you are all ready to receive know what we are going to discuss today. You can also share in between. I'm not that much expert in artificial intelligence, because every day we are getting so many applications. Okay, artificial intelligence, and so many apps. Okay, so whatever I know, I will try to discuss. um, so we'll get into another topic. I hope you can able to see the slides. Yes, can you able to see the slides? Yes, I hope yes, right?
Yes, yes, Bharati Raj sir.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So, as a researcher and educators, we are living in one of the most exciting time, of the history of knowledge creation, because now our crisis is not, the deficit of data. No, the crisis is, the overflow of data. So, how, we have to select the right data for doing a research, or doing a further study. But for that, we have right now so many AI tools to reduce our burden. Okay, right now we can have AI tools can review thousands of paper in 10 minutes. If 10 years before, during the digital era, so if any scholar need to do, for example, a review of literature, they have to spend hours and hours in library. But now they have to spend library, but they can use smart tools like semantic scholar, I mean even Google Scholar. Okay, there are so many applications are available that will help you to do your review of literature in a very smart way, with lesser shorter time period. So that is the era we are in. But the challenge is, how we are using these tools ethically, creatively, and intelligently. That is the biggest question in front of all the researchers and the educators. But so today, in this particular webinar, my objective is not to introduce so many tools. Okay, my objective is how we can collaborate this AI for our research progress. Okay, so the first part of my research, I will try to explain some of the research tools, and how you can proceed with these tools for research purpose. And the second part, I will try to give demo for few AI tools. Okay, and let's proceed with that. Okay, I hope the slides are moving right now, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so let's begin by looking at how the research landscape itself has changed over the last few decades. From manual to digital, from digital to AI assisted research. Okay, see, that's what you have to spend so many time. I mean, huge volume of textbook, and you have to spend hours and hours in the library for doing a review of literature. But no, right now, no, you have a huge database like Scopus, um, then Web of Science. Okay, so these are all very authentic. Database where you can do your review of literature. I know I will take this. Review of literature as an example, so that we can connect all our point accordingly. And absolutely, we'll try to touch upon other aspects of the research cycle as well. Okay, for a better understanding, you can connect with how we can use these AI tools for doing a review of literature. Okay, so that you can easily get into know these tools. So from manual to digital. Okay, if you take before 1990s, even you can discuss with your senior professors and ask how they did their review of literature. They will tell you their stories. It maybe seems like funny. No, that is the situation. No, that is the resources available. No, then. But after 90s, the I mean the growth of information technology, computers, then the database, okay, Microsoft evolved, IT industries boomed, so that a lot of database are created, and that time, the scholars, the researchers, and the educators, they have huge data. But again, the crisis is which is the right data. How we can select the right data? That is the biggest challenge in upload that particular article, and you can interact or you can chat with that PDF article, with the AI. AI will give you ready-made answers, so that it will save your time. So from understanding perspective, you required 3 hours to understand a paper. Right now, 3 minutes is sufficient. You just upload the article and ask your doubts. Okay, give the major findings, from the article, what the paper try to bring out, what you can easily interact with the article. These are all possible, these days, okay, with the help of artificial intelligence. So that is why we are thinking, and we are discussing this artificial intelligence extensively, because booking an auto, or ordering, our day-to-day requirements. Now things are available, okay, you can order anything, from your home. It will be available, okay. So it's all because of the artificial intelligence, and the algorithms work, behind all these tools. So that is the reason why we are here, in that particular artificial intelligence, bridge a gap between the speed, accuracy, and innovation. So now, you can play a very smart role in the research or in the education sector, provided you are good at handling artificial intelligence, right? So that is a contest for today's webinar. And okay, then what is AI assisted research? Okay, this is our core center of discussion. See, it simply put, it is an integration of artificial intelligence tools and algorithms, right? See, I hope you are all have some idea how this AI functioning. Okay, it's a huge database with machine learning and algorithms. It's running. And as a researcher, we don't want to get into deep on how these algorithms are working. Now, our worry is how good at this particular AI is helping to solve my problem, right? So we'll look at the AI assisted research accordingly. And this AI assisted research tools can enhance your productivity and enhance your creativity. See, for example, if if your guide, or if your mentor, a research mentor, asks you to bring out a research title, for that you have to spend reasonably good time to and identify a research topic. But now, by a single prompt, you can generate n number of research title, you can easily by giving a single prompt, you can able to generate it. Okay, so that is how you can this AI can assist research. But the thing is, how you can partner, you can make AI as a partner in research. That is possible only when what are the research AIs are available, and how good at it will solve my problem, All those things is possible only when you are well versed with well versed with these AI tools. And look at the evolution of research methodology from the traditional to AI driven approach. Okay, this will give you a very clear picture. From the traditional era, the manual review. Okay, so as I said, doing a manual review or the researchers spend majority of their good time to review the articles, because a good title and a good PhD research start with doing a better review of literature. Then only you can able to understand what is the gap, uh, you know how we can how I can improve my research. All those you can come to know that only when you do a proper review, right? So for that, now we have the traditional method of reviewing. It's hectic, and it is take all of majority of your time. And doing a survey, imagine 10, 15 years before, if you want to do a survey, you have to meet the respondent one to one. So it take time, it take a good time. But now we have solution for everything, right? And that time, the most glorified tools available is SPSS. Okay, so but now things are changed. Now we have so many tools. Okay, so many AI tools. You can do analysis by giving prompt. That is the era we are in. So from traditional era to digital no era, so database are available. Okay, so manual review. If you spend no manual records, journals, and other department documents. Now, if everything is available, in the digital form, okay, you can so it's make your search very quickly. And we have Google Scholar, Scopus, elsewhere, and so many peer-reviewed authentic informations database are available, so that you can take the right data for your research review. From traditional to digital, from digital to AI, now you have readily available informations. So your review can be done within a week. In 10 years before, if a research scholar can done a review maybe 6 months, but that can be done in the same quality or better within 1 or 2 weeks, because AI will tell you which is good for your study, which is most relevant. No, everything is possible. Okay, and there are n number of tools are available. Copilot, Copilot, Chat GPT, Elicit, and so many features are available. Okay, so there is an evolution happened in research methodology. Even the teachers and scholars, you can imagine what happened or how the classes are happened before COVID and after COVID. Then you can realize the evolution of the information technology. Now we say it is not only information technology, it is no artificial intelligence. Okay, so from tradition to AI driven approaches. And how we can integrating AI in every stage of our research. Okay, starting from topic identification, review of literature, data collection, and data analysis. Okay, all the cycle of no research cycle. You have so many specific particular tools are available. See, look at topic identification. See, you can use ChatGPT, but usually students and scholars are using ChatGPT for very small thing. Just give some blank, simple prompt, and they will get some information. But even in ChatGPT, I will show you, if time permit, I will show you, how good you can use ChatGPT, and so many features are available inside ChatGPT, so that you can make use it. Okay, it's simple. For topic identification and all. If any students got no admission to enroll into a PhD, the first challenge is to identify a research topic, identify a research area. For that, it's very difficult. They have to sit with the co-scholars, guide, and so many people, and they have to spend material extensively. But now you can easily come across, or you can easily pull out with the help of the AI like ChatGPT. You can easily identify topics, problem framing, hypothesis generation, everything. ChatGPT will easily help. And please do understand, AI is not only ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one among the AI. Okay, even in research, there are better AI tools are available than ChatGPT. ChatGPT we use, it is readily available, just like mobile feature now, just like WhatsApp we are using ChatGPT. That's why we are all talking about this ChatGPT extensively. Or if I say, "Are you familiar with AI?" Everyone say, "No, I'm familiar with AI because I know ChatGPT." But please do understand, there are n number of AI. I mean, tools are available, which is do a better job than ChatGPT. Plus, you can make use this ChatGPT better by if you understand various features available inside ChatGPT. Okay, so you can for topic identification you can use ChatGPT, and review of literature. See, we have so many. The softwares and the AIs are available. Take a case of Research Rabbit or semantic scholar, so where you can get the exact most relevant data, relevant review, and you can easily map which is most important for your research, right? See, simple, and I will give you an example. See, if you are doing a review of literature, if you Google it straight away in the internet, you will get all the junk, right? You will get all the junk in a single click, right? But instead, there is a screening feature is available in the no simple Google. That is the Google Scholar, right? So if you select that Google Scholar, and if you give the search, then it will give the scholarly articles, right? So see, look at from the data. I mean, from the raw data, you are getting the processed or most relevant data if you use Google Scholar. So that is the case 10 years before. Now we have the applications like Semantic Scholar, there are search engine where you can screen it. Okay, you can give you can do a lot of scrutiny. Okay, you can define what data you want exactly, so that will save your time actually. Okay, so that is how you can integrate AI for literature review as well. Then data collection. Okay, see, AI surveys are possible right now. Simple, we can since we are all using, especially students, if we give any dissertation work, they will circulate the Google form survey, right? So it's a form of survey which you can do online without much effort. Conveniently you can do it, which is not available 10 years before. Okay, data collection is a major crisis, major task, in terms of the research scholars, because they have to collect nearly 500 plus data. But if it is a survey, or if they are doing it on online, it's not possible, because all the respondents are connected with the internet, they are connected with smartphone. So it is not no it is it is the good way you can proceed with, no problem. The only thing is, we have to set the questionnaire accordingly. Okay, so that nothing wrong in collecting data with the help of AI. Okay, see, all these, please do understand, scholars, all these AI tools are to support, not to substitute the scholar. Okay, you have the creativity. You need to have the intelligent capacity and creativity to use this AI. You have to use as a co-pilot. Okay, the co-pilot AI, like you have to use the AI as a co-pilot. Okay, or a collaborator, not the substitute for you. Okay, still, no, it is no. You have to play a major role in research. Then the data analysis, we have Python, machine learning, Orange, so many data, okay? And you can do predictive analytics and thematic analytics, okay? You can do mind mapping. Everything can be possible, by giving prompt or by using AI, which is not that much easy, before AI, okay, or before digital era, okay. And the same case with visualization, okay. You can bring anything, in the form of graphs, okay, in the form of, right now. See, you can through you can give voice prompts. So imagine even a layman can create no inventions, can produce research outputs, because if he is having some idea, then definitely he can proceed with that, right? So that's all possible. And no citation. We have Menley and Zetro, so many no EndNote, everything is available. Okay, see, uh, again, this is a problem with the old researchers. What they do, they have to whatever review they do. They note down all the review. At the end of the day, they forget from where all these data are collected. But now, we have very smart software, reference software like Mentley, and you can put all your data there, and you can pull out by give a single click. These are all possible. So you can integrating AI in every stage of your research. Okay, starting from topic identification to citation. Okay, and see, these are all some of the tools for no researchers. See, if you take the case of AI tools, it is just like our mobile phone. In our mobile phone, we have n number of or hundreds of features, but we are using very, I mean, uh, very few features like WhatsApp, phone, and OneNote, and calendar, calculator, kind of things. Okay, likewise in AI area era, you have thousands of no tools available. Many of them are paid, and some of them are, free. But there are research related tool which you have to have, in your mind, and you need to use these tools to upgrade your research in a better way. Okay, so these are all some of the research tools which you can make use. Especially for literature review, you can proceed with Research Rabbit, Cite a Semantic Scholar. And for writing and editing, you can have ChatGPT. Okay, but while when you use ChatGPT, you have to be very clear. And if you are familiar with the topic, and you can able to give a right prompt, you can proceed with ChatGPT. And once if you get the ChatGPT output, you have to read, and you have to edit what ChatGPT is giving, because many a time ChatGPT will give the Western academic ideas and those. But we are sitting in a place in Chennai or Kerala or the southern India, but we have to localize some studies. So you have to be very careful on it. So that can, it's also possible why, if you can able to provide the right prompt. Okay, and Grammarly or even Kulbut, okay, Kulbut and all, you can use for paraphrasing, and everything you can make use. And all these data, you can verify whether it is grammatically right or wrong, anything. You can check with that. And the data analysis, again, you need know, just like if you depending on a statistician, now you can you can easily depend on a AI. Okay, and a paid AI. And if you give all the inputs, collected data as an input, you can generate what data it is required. It's all possible. And the visualizations, you can see from Excel to Power BI. So you can create smart presentations in the form of graphs, okay, that can easily communicate things quickly. And cite for citation, you can use Menley, EndNote, all those things you can make use. So students, scholars, you can note down, these are these are all minimum I mean AI tools you supposed to come across, and you have to have some idea. If you are familiar with these tools, you can do research in a very smart way. Okay, shorter and quick. And no, the very important thing is ethical and methodological consent. Okay, so now things are available, readily available. But the thing is how balancing, the AI innovation and the integrity. Whether we are, giving, I mean, I mean, credential for the data which we are taken. That we have to be, very serious on it, because it is very relevant as well. Okay, so if you are taking somebody's work, means you have to give at least, the credit for the data which you pulled out, right? So you have to be very keen on know the plagiarism and know the authorship ambiguity. So if you are taking some material from online, or even I'm sure 5 years from here, or even 1 year from here, people are going to refer chat GPT as the reference in the attachment, because many of the content is taken from there. So nothing wrong in no taking from the AI or the software, but only thing is, you have to give I mean credit for that. And you have to be very careful on plagiarism. In India it is not that much severely noted, but in foreign countries, if you are uploading any material, these are all taken a very serious crime. Because if you are taken somebody's work without giving proper credit, then it is no, it is not at all acceptable. They won't, they're not able to imagine the situation. But that situation will come for us as well. Okay, so you have to be very careful regarding plagiarism, everything. Okay, and the data bias in AI models. AI can give any information. It's after all a mission, but you have to have the information. Since you are the scholar, you supposed to give prompt. You have to control the AI through prompts, and you can avoid the data bias. Okay, and a lack of transparency. See, the good thing expected from a research scholar: transparent data collection, transparent information gathering, review of literature, authentic informations. All those things are very, very important for a researcher. Okay, and if you over reliance leading to the shallow interpretation. If you are totally highly rely on all these AI, then there is no scope for the creativity. There is no scope for the scholar intellectual, innovation and so on. So you need not to. That's what I said. You keep this AI as a collaborator, not for a substitute. Okay, and no, you have to have citation, and you have to know the disclosure of AI use. So whenever you use AI or any tool, you can mention it. Nothing wrong in that. That's time will come. You can evidently mention the AI which you used for your research. And I think some best practices which I already discussed along with the ethical aspects. Let's try to, give demo of a few AI tools. Just a sec. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, give me 1 minute. I will try to connect my entire screen so that I can try to give some demo for know few research tools online. Can you able to see the screen? My ender screen. Can you able to see it?
No, sir. No, sir.
Just a second. Okay, I'm not able to connect the entire screen right now. We'll do one thing. Okay, yeah. Can you able to see right now my screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is
Yeah.
visible now.
Okay. So no, even still, I am not able to share my full screen, but I can able to share the other one. Just a second. Okay. I hope now we are into the semantic scholar. Can you able to see the site?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, actually, this is a search engine site where you can easily, I mean, uh, Google data. Okay, you can easily retrieve your review of literature easily. No, the good thing is my favorite, in this semantic scholar is the advanced filtering. Can you able to see my cursor moving from field of study, date of range, right? So you look at this, the filtering options available with semantic scholar. See here, if you are a research scholar, can any one of the participant tell me, one of your, research area? Any one of the scholar, can you please tell me of your research area?
Neuromarketing,
Uh, Can you come again, please?
neuromarketing,
Marketing is clear. Before that, you're talking about mobile marketing, neuro marketing. Okay.
neuromarketing.
Yeah, yeah, I understand. I got it. Got it. Okay. So I now try to collect data on neuromarketing. Okay. So look at there are 3,480 results are available under neuromarketing. And here, if you look at neuromarketing, there are no further, screening you can do. See here, a field of study is available. No, in
Your,
neuromarketing,
sir, sorry. Your Gmail is the only thing is
but
visible now.
that semantic scholar is not
It's not visible. Not visible, sir.
not visible. Just a second, sir. Oh, not this one. What about now? Can
No, sir. Still, the Gmail is visible now.
oh my god. Just a second, sir.
I think we can close and come again, sir.
Sir, just confirm, is it visible now?
Yes, sir. It is visible now.
It's okay now. I
Yeah,
can
yeah, it's
proceed,
very
right?
clear. It's very clear. So no
Yeah.
need to
Okay. Okay. We'll proceed, sir. Okay. Sorry, I'm not. No, till now I'm not able to connect the entire screen. It is not. I mean, coming as for the selection option. But anyway, um, we'll proceed with no this. So look at the neuromarketing. No, I've given a search on neuromarketing. See, look at now. Can you able to see the? I mean, the top. There are fields which is available for. No, you can have to filter it. Okay, this is my favorite. No portion in semantic scholar where you have advanced filtering. Okay, see, look at the field of study. Can you able to see the cursor moving?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, look at see the field of study. For example, you know, if you are I mean scholar in commerce and management, here see psychology, computer science, medicine, engineering. For that field, we don't want actually, right? So that we can select business and more. I mean, business we can take, economics we can take, right? See now look at about 1430 results from neuromarketing filter. Okay, and in the next next option you can see you don't want all the junk item from 1970 onwards. You need most relevant last 10 years. That is possible, you know, with a single click. See, look at now last 10-year data is available. Okay, and that too. See, when you, if you Google with Google Scholar, the data which is available cannot access many a time. If you open it, it will not open because the no the original data may not be available. Here, you know, it have an advanced filtering where I mean the article which have PDF file. See that also you can give a selection. See now look at 573 results from neuromarketing, and that too. No, there is a see. Look at the extreme right side corner. You can sort by relevance. Okay. See right now, no, the good journals looking at citation count and the very influential papers. So that also you can screen it. See, look at through citation and most popular and influential papers. Now you have 573 results from neuromarketing. So if you know review this paper, then it would be the best research so that you can cover every related data. Okay, so the benefit of semantic scholar, it will helps to narrow down your focus, right? Um, is it okay with the person who is suggesting neuromarketing? I hope this is how you are doing your review of literature, right? So if not, you can make use this kind of semantic scholar so that you can take the very apt information for your identify key research in the field, and that will very importantly it will save your time, okay, extensively. Okay, then let's move on to another important AI tool, that is consensus. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, now I'm moving to another tool. Just yeah. Can you able to see my slide now? Now it is.
Yes, sir.
I'm
Consent.
in consensus. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Actually, this no, it's a AI powered search engine as well. Okay, instead of wasting time on Google Scholar, you can ask question in I mean consensus. See here you can ask question. Okay, you can ask question. The benefits, everything you can ask here. Okay, it's all possible here. Okay, see look at. See, look at if you type here, no, it will give you suggestion neuromarketing. See, what is the benefits of neuromarketing? Okay, I just raise a question with consensus. It will give what are the benefits of neuromarketing, and this consensus will give you, if you write this prompt into ChatGPT, you will get n number of information, suggestion, and so on, but no evidence. Okay, who said, where it is proved, what is the source? Nothing will be available. But in consensus, as a researcher, you have to produce the proof. Okay, so consensus will give data from solid, authentic no database. Okay, that is a major benefit of no consensus. Look at so these information. I just ask what are the benefits of neuromarketing, and it's given an information, and it will give these informations are given based on these article. Can you able to see so many article where you can expand your knowledge? See, look at here, what conciseness offer marketing research, technological advancement opportunities in neuromarketing. So these are all the informations are pulled out from the most reviewed articles, where if you want to go further, you can you can easily get in. See, this is how you can make use no consensus, because I'm not able to open the entire screen. Otherwise, I can I have to give a better demo on this. So the so scholars you can try all these tools once this particular webinar is over. It is just like how we are expand our skills, like by doing our Excel, and expand our knowledge. The same way you can repeatedly try to use all these AI powered search engines, so that you can come across more tips. Okay, so the major benefits with no consensus, you can easily find research gap, and you can quick your answer to research question, because here you can give further prompt, and you can filter here. You can give a filter. See, look at from where you want to, from A1 journals, Q1 to Q4 journals. All screening is possible through this consensus. And let's move on to the another software. Okay. Okay. Can you able to see my, Mendeley
Yes, sir.
screen now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, again, no, actually, this is not an AI powered. It's a software which you can download from internet for free of cost. The advantage is, no, it's a very good reference management for a citation. Okay. No, it make your work very easy. Okay, you can easily download no from internet, no mentally for your desktop or piece, computer or laptop. You can easily download and put it into your system. The advantage is, which you can open it anywhere in the world, and you can able to access. Okay, that's the greatest advantage. And this is one of the very useful tool in terms of reference management. Okay, after completing your research review of literature, you can easily complete your reference management with a single click. Okay, what you have to do is, you have to look at the extreme left side column. You have to add a folder where you can download all your related research topics and articles in this in a particular open a folder and put all your research, PPTs, under this particular folder. See, look at, I'm just selecting one or two. Okay, and if you upload it, it will come into your favorite. So look at, I am created a folder called women entrepreneur women entrepreneurs in tourism. So these are all the data are I'm going to uh, work with for my review of literature. So look at, so many articles are available which I can know make use wisely. Okay. See this, I can screen it in different ways. Okay, I can easily, yeah. So, for example, I'm if I take a, I will tell you how to use this Mendeley for, giving citations. Just a second. Yeah. See, for example, no, this is a paragraph which I uh, written as my review of literature. Here I want to include citation. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just clicking the cursor here, and now I'm going to insert the cursor. I'm going to go to the Mendeley option, so it will directly direct towards the Mendeley, the articles which I already saved in a specific folder, my folder, women entrepreneurs in tourism. So see, look at, these are all the reference I am planning to give. See, women entrepreneurs. So I'm going to select this one. Okay. um, Once I selected, see, look at here, cite. Okay, there is a inverted comma. So if I cite here, see, it will automatically uh, pick. So look at, so manually, you need not to do anything manually. It will easily see these many reference I have selected. The same way you can add n number of relevant citations, so that you can avoid plagiarism and all. See, look at, I'm going to add again a few more references. Okay, so whatever reference I want to add, I'm just adding it. Then give cite. So absolutely, it will, with a single click, the citations are included. See, look at, okay, and the same way you can add as many citations. Go to Mendeley, and you can add, even you can add more than one article for a single explanation. That is also possible. Cite. Okay, so you given know these many references. Okay, these many references. Okay, at the end, we will add a reference page, right? Reference. See, usually what research scholars will do, they will insert through EndNote, or they will insert each and every, references one by one. But instead, if you use Mendeley, see, you given reference and take the reference here. See, look at insert bibliography. If you click it, all the references will come within a single click. Okay, it will come a single click that you can see with a single click. It will come. See, for example, if you are uploading an article with a famous journal, and that first thing you have to understand, if you upload any article with journals, the desk rejection will come if your no review of literature is weak, right? So you have to be very keen on collecting data and cite that particular data. It is very very crucial for researchers. And see, for instance, one of your articles get rejected, and you are going to upload with modification to another article, and that article format, then the style of referencing, everything is different. That can be done within a single click. That is the advantage of this Mendeley's, if you use Mendeley software. So again, Mendeley you can take on just a moment. So select this no particular references and go to Mendeley again. And here, no, you can see, look at, there are different citation, even, for example, cite the 12th edition of Harvard. So if you use this, the citation format will get changed. Now look at the citation format is changed to Harvard. So, so if you are want to, upload the article into Harvard, now with a single click, you can modify the format into Harvard. So that is how you can smartly do research, um, by using all these articles. I mean, with these tools. I'm sorry, I got disconnected. Can you listen me now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're
Okay.
audible. You're audible.
Am I audible while explaining the Mendeley? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. It's for very clear. Very
Ah,
clear.
okay, okay. So these are all some of the tools which I like to discuss, and another two, three tools, that is Quillbot and what Research Rabbit, which is more or less similar. You can try Google it, and any doubt you can send a mail, and I will try to reply it. Okay, since the given time is already over. So no, I stop here. So if anybody want to ask, or if anyone want to add something additional, I am very much happy to listen from your end. I hope it is or no little useful for you. You make use these tools by looking at within 10-15 minutes it is not possible to explain all these tools. Instead you try yourself, and once you are start using these tools, you will learn and explore so many things. Okay, so that is how the researcher need to improve himself. Okay, so if any questions or any doubt if you have, you please ask. If I am no, I will ready to answer it.
Uh,
Otherwise, I will answer it later as well. Thank you so
for
much.
this, sir, some of the question has been posted in the chat box.
Okay, okay, uh, okay. Is Mendeley desktop a free or paid software? Actually, Mendeley is a free software, okay, which you can download and store it in your laptop or desktop with your login ID. That can be opened anywhere. If you open your login ID, all the data which is stored will be available there. For example, that is how I used. If I store all the data into my desktop in Cochin, if I open it in Chennai, if I log in with my user ID and password, all the data which can avail, which I can access from Chennai, from another system, but it have Mendeley software. It is free of cost. And sir, tell how to check AI detector. See, now there are a n number of software is available for AI dictator, no AI finder, but there are wise way you can use it. See, for example, very simple, practical way. See, for example, you are taken information from ChatGPT that you can paraphrase with the help of Quillbot. That will give without changing the meaning, it will give a different wording that will free from AI. And there are humanization applications are available, but many of them are paid software. Anything else, sir? No, I find only two, three questions here. I hope I have answered. Anybody want to ask instead of typing questions? I hope it is useful. Yes. Yes. Okay. So thank you so much, dear participants, and thank you so much, Jagadishwaran sir, for this wonderful opportunity. Yes. Okay. So please do practice. So please do practice. The AI tools which we discussed today for your research, and do good research in a very short time period, and excel in your academic career. Okay, so thank you so much once again for Thiruthangal Nadar College for inviting me to this particular webinar. Okay, thank you so much.
Good night, everyone. Good night, everyone of you present here. It's my privilege to extend a warm vote of thanks on behalf of the organization team for today's enlightening webinar. First and foremost, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Dr. R. Bharadirajan, Assistant Professor in Rajagiri College of Social Sciences, for sharing your valuable insights on AI-assisted research methodology, innovation, applications. Your presentation was so inspiring, leaving us with a new perspectives and actionable ideas to reflect upon. Next, I would like to thank our Secretary and Correspondent, Sir Thiru A. Narayanamurthy Absentia, and our beloved Principal, Ma'am Dr. V. Devi Absentia, for giving permission to conduct this webinar. Next, I would like to thank Dr. V. Jagadishwaran, Sir, Head Department of PG Research, and our organizing team for their meticulous planning and smooth execution of their online event. We are equally grateful to the technical support team for ensuring the flawless digital expressions. Finally, I would like to extend our thanks to all our participants who joined from different places for your presence. Once again, I thank you all for making this webinar a successful one. Thank you.
Speech is for you to contribute. Thank you, sir, for the enlightening sessions. We are grateful for your time and expertise. We hope you found the discussion was informative and useful. Thank you for your speaker and the organizer and all the participants for making this webinar a successful one. Have a great day, everyone.
Excellent, madam.
Thank you.
I request the participants to kindly fill the feedback form that was shared in the chat box.
Excellent.
Jagadish sir, shall we wind up, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Once all the participants has moved out, we can close.
Yes. The feedback link will be posted. The participants can fill the feedback link.
you.